I travel 78 kilometers every day from my home in San Antonio to Zaragoza, La Paz, Tarlac, passing through Concepcion, Tarlac, and Santa Monica to reach my simple and humble school, the San Jose Elementary School, located in San Jose, San Antonio, Nueva Ecija. This long journey symbolizes my perseverance and commitment to serve the learners and community entrusted to me. Despite the distance and challenges, I remain dedicated to ensure that quality education reach even the most remote areas. San Jose Elementary School had no official school building. The classes were conducted only in old barangay hall. Because of the lack of classroom, learning spaces were limited and often inconvenient for both learners and teachers. In response, one of the major accomplishments during my leadership was the construction of one temporary learning space, made possible through the support and generosity of kind-hearted stakeholders. This structure provided a safer and more conducive space for learners while the school waited for an official building. To strengthen teaching and learning, I implemented the district-initiated best practices known as the 6Bs. Bawat bata bumabasa, bumibilang, bibusagham, at busilak ang kalooban. These practices, originally recognized as a district model, aim to enhance literacy, numeracy, values formation, and scientific engagement. With the help of my teachers, the 6Bs become an integral part of daily instruction and contributed to the holistic development of the learners. I also introduced the implemented Project Matuto, my approved action research entitled Multiplihan, an instructional tools in improving learners' multiplication skills. Under the guidance of our math teachers, Ms. Diana Escuchon, the project helped improve the numeracy skills, especially the multiplication skills of the learners. To address the resources needed of teachers, I launched Project Print, provide resources in teaching. Through this initiative, I provided teachers with essential materials needed to improve the teaching and learning process. These included blackboards, 1:1 printer for each teacher, 1:1 smart TVs for each teacher, and various instructional materials. Project Print enabled teachers to deliver lessons more effectively and encourage them to integrate technology into classroom instruction. Lastly, I developed my innovation, Project 4D, designing, developing, and digitalization of documents, which involved the creation of multi-grade website in the division of Nueva Ecija. Through this digital platform, users were able to access comprehensive information related to multi-grade education, including multi-grade activities, officers, enrollment data, list of multi-grade school, list of multi-grade school heads, list of multi-grade teachers, budget of works, class program, and SHA documents. Project 4D enhance accessibility, organization, and transparency of multi-grade documents and serve as a valuable resources for teachers and administrators. In summary, my journey with San Jose Elementary School reflected resilience and dedication. Despite limited facilities, long travel, and the absence of a formal school building, I remain committed to strengthening educational services. With the support of stakeholders, the creativity of teachers, and the drive for continuous improvement, Our initiative and innovation made meaningful progress for the learners and the community we serve. Yours truly, Rex Artiki, School Head of San Jose Elementary School. Thank you and God bless.